Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentah kesengi kilong. Dawa ka khnam na CEM KHADC ban pendu trading license ya way Khuborjylla. Rakhe ke office dbmnTv ya ke National Deworming Day hari boy. Laple perda ya ke 29 inter-school athletic meet ha West Khasi Hills District. Ban Hadian Arposnem yo penlong diang ka Kenshi Pelun Sports Association ya ka lumpung di Knaskul. Tementang ini apai syaki Khubor ke bakambnya. Ka khnam kalalet ban yakundu ya CEM ka KHADC u ba penyat sing CEM ha ka arpusau terik u Iaiong arhajar arpusau ha office terekam jong u halor kamat ban pa pendu ya ka trading license jong u we na Khuborjylla u singgania halor ka jingyo kontrak jong u ha Negrims Hospital ha ki we na ki department. Kumjuru ha ka bayade bat ka Shillong Khanapara badon hari boy district ka bahap po Khubor Assam ban pa penkela kertengno ban jer da ki kentien khasi amshu Khanapara basngau Shillong nongwe. Uba Thomas Pasa, uba longkum working president ka khnam, habaya kran cekinong thok Khubor, uloong ba, NAKA liang jong uba penyai sing CEM, ula menjur ya ka jing pensengau jong ka khnam.
CEM kalong ba ngila syuai jingmut ba ngidei ban penkela kerteng no ya kane ka Khanapara syak kerteng ke kentin khasi. Pirmar teng-teng ngia keren yu pur usaha no maka kerteng galak dei lupa da kerteng Khuborjylla te kae bah ngin kam try ya ketika jaka. Na kata kada no kalian ngajongi yang ba aino da kentin khasi ya kene Khanapara. Khnang ba kan scam kata ka jinglong nong kenti ka jongi ya la ka ya lo jong pur usaha. Banda hak ba de ba kene ka benta ka bar pada ila da bang bagin sa ai da ka jing tho sha CEM bat ilak kerpat ru ba lek sila da dan kano suggestion ka kerteng ka bakumno ngin ai ngin saya perkat nak kalian ka jongirung bat ngi ai jumut ki pai baru la dan ki pai ba ki kam tip ya ka tenra ki ba nadu kolong koman ki ba suthu ai ne jaka khamtam ki ru temen ki rang ba kila ban approach ka council ban ai jumut ru da kano ka lenti ba kani ka kerteng ka balong ka basong nongrem kani ka kerteng ka bayaham bangin penkalai kani ka Khanapara te ita ka de ka jing kenduk ka jongi mentak sini ba di CEM CEM kalong ba ngila syuai jingmut ba ngidei ban penkela kerteng no ya kane ka Khanapara syak kerteng ke kentin khasi. Pirmar teng-teng ngia keren yu pur usaha no maka kerteng galak dei lupa da kerteng Khuborjylla te kae bah ngin kam try ya ketika jaka. Na kata kada no kalian ngajongi yang ba aino da kentin khasi ya kene Khanapara. Khnang ba kan scam kata ka jinglong nong kenti ka jongi ya la ka ya lo jong pur usaha. Banda hak ba de ba kene ka benta ka bar pada ila da bang bagin sa ai da ka jing tho sha CEM bat ilak kerpat ru ba lek sila da dan kano suggestion ka kerteng ka bakumno ngin ai ngin saya perkat nak kalian ka jongirung bat ngi ai jumut ki pai baru la dan ki pai ba ki kam tip ya ka tenra ki ba nadu kolong koman ki ba suthu ai ne jaka khamtam ki ru temen ki rang ba kila ban approach ka council ban ai jumut ru da kano ka lenti ba kani ka kerteng ka balong ka basong nongrem kani ka kerteng ka bayaham bangin penkalai kani ka Khanapara te ita ka de ka jing kenduk ka jongi mentak sini ba di CEM
Ka office jong ka District Medical and Health Officer dbmnTv Ribhoy District ha ka arpusau terik u Iaiong kala penlong ya ka program ban rakhe kerpang ya kani kesngi arpusau terik Iaiong kum kesngi jong ka jingpang we lani ka National Deworming Day ya ka bala penlong ha school jong ka Jubilee Presbyterian Secondary School Mapadang Saiden. Hakani kesngi la penlong ru ya kani keju ka program haman ki Anganwadi Center hakishnong baper bat la yo ru bansa me ki dawai we shabaro ki khna ki ba shisnam hadu khat khandai snam karta. Lengba kani ka program kadon ka jing thumu jong ka ban pendu jat ya ki jingdon jong ki we hakisnir kpo jong ki khna rit bat ki khna school ki badang don hakarta ka ba shisnam hadu khat khandai snam bat lengba ki school bat ki Anganwadi Center kin la ru banyada ya ki na ki jingkta ki ba shirkhe lada don ki we haki kpo jong ki Ka office jong ka District Sports Officer DSO West Khasi Hills District haka arpusaw tarik Iaiong kalayo pan play perdano ya ka lumpong yalekai sports jong ki school ha West Khasi Hills ya ka balatip kum ka 29 district level inter school athletic meet arhajar arpusaw. Ya ka te ka lumpong layo ban penlong hapo nong pathar stadium haka shnong pendengray West Khasi Hills haka ba uba alakador sim commandant ka 4th MLP battalion ulalong kumukongsan ban one play perda ya ka te ka lumpong. Hakani kasngi la sakhiru da kajinga don lang ka kong BCM DSO ka West Khasi Hills District kinong tray ka office DSO kinong hikai ki khna school na ki school ba pher but ki we ki bala shakhot ngobha
has appreciated my assignment. As the chief guest of this inter-school district athletics meet, when Kong Sim called me, it was indeed a really happy moment for me to accept her invitation, because I believe that we all can make a difference to the lives of these children. Though you know that as police personnel, we have a lot of duties and responsibilities to fulfill. But I made it my mission that I should be here this morning with you, because I remember myself as a schoolboy in the sports meet that I used to take part in school and in college. In sports, the ability to embody these three things that I talked about: faster, higher, and stronger. This comes about from practice. This comes about from perseverance. If you look at athletes all over the world, if you look at athletes from the state, if you look at athletes from the district, they embody this spirit: hardworking, perseverance, and listening to their coaches. Kong Sim has already talked about how sports reflects on your life too. How life and sports is part and parcel of one basic element. The second part is sportsmanship, as she talked about. Sportsmanship is not only about competing with other competitors, but it's also about competing with yourself. The ability to be better than yourself. Today, I ran 10 seconds. Tomorrow, I should be able to run less than 10 seconds. Today, I jumped 4 feet. Tomorrow, I should be able to jump more than 4 feet. Today, I carried weight of 25 kgs. Tomorrow, I should be stronger and carry weight of more than 25 kgs. Sportsman spirit and sportsmanship is an integral part of sporting activities and is an integral part of your life. Not only to be better against other competitors, but to be better against yourself, to compete against yourself.
Kakenshi Pelun Sports Association haka arpusaw tarik Iaiong hajar arpusaw kala pli perdano ya ka lumpong ya lekai sports ki khna school kabalatip naka first Kenshi Pelun inter-school sports and athletic meet hajar arpusaw hamadan umsot kabadai kamadan kenjat bol jong kasnong Kenshi Pelun. Hakane ka sports meet lawan banesyem banta da lai tili ki secondary school ki upper primary but kumjuru ki lower primary school. Kani kalong ru kasien ke bandingkong balala ban penlong biang ya kani ka lumpung ya lekai ki khna school hadien arposnem. Lawan ban pli perda ya kani ka lumpung da uba marking Jylla managing director ka Kenshi Trading Private Limited harengkat ka jinga don lang kinongkit kam ka Kenshi Pelun Sports Association kinong hikai lembat ki kemi ki kpa ki balawan ban ai mensim yala ki khun.
Maaf. Apa ni? Kosan tu suci dia. Kosan. Guru mereka mujarah.
Ngang suban ai kublai piki pa penyaja kene ke program kum kini program kilong sibenta ban ai mensim ya piki kena bat napreng jung pipi don hang ne ne por ban sibenta jing le kai reng suban ong ba barok ba pi sibenta hang ne ban le kai kiban ya dei ban long ban ya iben si binde ban long bi sipara ban tre sidom ban long ba ya ai mensim iwi.
Participation today in the Khuborjylla Sports Association Inter-School Sports Meet 2024. I do hereby promise to take part in this event with the true spirit of sportsmanship, that I will conduct myself in manner of discipline, fair play, and respect the sports and my fellow competitors, and that I will compete in the way to uphold the dignity and value of the role, even for the success of our goals and the glory of the sport. Thank you.
Badai kitu ki Khubor ngila poi chaka bakut tar hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun.